Welcome back, explorers, to another enchanting episode of Jeju Diaries. Today, we're diving deep into the history and beauty of Jeju's most majestic residence, its horses. Jeju's relationship with horses is as old as time itself. Legends speak of the myth of the Three Clan, where tales of colts and calves intertwine with the island's rich history. Historical remains, from excavated horse teeth to footprints fossilized on the seashore, hint at the deep bond between Jeju and these magnificent creatures. Imagine fine horses from Jeju being presented to kings as early as 1073, and by the time of the Goryeo dynasty, Jeju had become a hub for breeding and improving Mongolian horses, turning them into war-ready steeds. The Joseon dynasty saw Jeju as the heartland of horse production. The island catered to the nation's needs, from military to trade, and to ensure the systematic management of these horses, 10 dedicated spots were established right at the foot of Mount Halla. But as times changed, so did the fate of Jeju's horses. The rise of machines and modern transportation meant a decline in their demand. By the 1980s, the once thriving population dwindled to a mere 1,300. In a bid to preserve these iconic creatures, genuine Jeju horses were identified and selected. And in 1986, they were honored as a state-designated cultural property. Today, these horses grace the pastures of the Mabang Ranch in summer, offering a sight so serene that it's considered one of Jeju's top 10 scenic beauties. And in winter, they're safely housed at the Jeju Special Self-Governing Province Livestock Promotion Agency. Every year, over 700,000 visitors are drawn to this tranquil spectacle, a testament to the timeless allure of Jeju's horses. From legends to reality, the horses of Jeju have galloped through time, carrying with them stories of resilience, beauty, and an island's undying love for its heritage. Join us next time for more tales from this magical island. Until then, keep exploring.